When Senator Francis Tolentino says there are far more pressing problems of the country to focus on than impeaching the daughter of her former boss, it is a preview of how he is likely to vote on the impeachment complaint when judgment time is up. An identical or similar sentiment at least 6 to 10 senators share and that's a big if, and when they form the lineup of the 20th Congress tasked to adjudicate on the complaint, our Danielle tells us more, to include the latest NBI charge filed against the embattled Vice President.
As the National Bureau of Investigation made another move against Vice President Sara Duterte, for Senate President Francis Escudero, this won't affect the impeachment proceedings.
Walang epekto yon sa napipintong impeachment proceedings. Pwede magpatuloy yon ng sabay, pwedeng mauna, pwedeng sumunod. Wala sang bearing sa impeachment proceedings.
Escudero said the Senate will just be passive and will sit as jurors of the impeachment court. As he explained that unlike any other Senate committee investigation, it is not their job to issue subpoenas to gather evidence, as this is the job for the prosecution and the defense.
Kung sakasakali na hilingin yan sa korte o sa NBI, at trabaho din nilang ipresenta yan. Nasa kabilang panig ang tutulan yan, at sa parte ng Senado, nasa trabaho naman namin ay magdesisyon o magpasya.
Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino meanwhile finds the impeachment as distraction in light of various problems that have beset the country.
Alam mo, yung impeachment ngayon, talaga nakaka-distract ito. Ang daming pwedeng pag-usapan. Ang dami natin problema. Yung siling labuyo, 500 pesos. Ito pa yung problema natin, di ba? Tapos ngayon, tumaas pa ata ang presyo ng kuryente, Meralco. Di ba? Dito pa rin tayo sa, ang dami nating problema dapat kaharapin.
However, he sees the point of some legal opinions saying the current Congress, which started the impeachment, shall also conclude the proceedings and pass the final judgment on the complaint.
So, pag sinimulan mo ng 19th Congress should likewise finish it. Although there is another school of thought na continuing body raw yung yung Congress, pwedeng ituloy na sila yung mag-decide.
From PTV Manila, Daniel Nolastas, Balitang Pambansa.